how to fix visible account not receiving calls. So in here, the very first thing that I recommend you guys do is simply turn on your airplane mode and then turn it back off. So for that, scroll down to your control panel, tap on that one and wait for about 10 seconds and tap on it again and then turn off that airplane mode. It will actually reset your network connection, and I'm pretty sure that it will fix your account not receiving calls, right? But if it's still not working, then what you can do is simply reinstall your eSIM, or if you have a physical SIM, then you can reinsert it. Simply pin that down and then take out your physical SIM and then reinsert it again and see if that works or not. But after doing all of these, if it's still not working, then lastly try to reset all of your network settings. For that, go back and then open the settings of your phone. So after opening the settings of your phone, simply scroll down a bit, then tap on general, scroll all the way down, then tap on transfer or reset iPhone, tap on reset and then tap on reset network settings. After doing that, simply enter the passcode of your phone, and after entering the passcode of your phone, simply tap on reset network settings one more time, and like that you'll actually be able to reset all of your network settings and fix your visible account not receiving calls. So yeah, that is it. If you guys do have any further queries, then please let me know in the comment section down below.